If you're watching this video, then you just took one of the most important steps to getting your work visible online. But before June 19, when I release this book, I want to quickly show you how you can make the most of this book in this 90 seconds video. Hi, my name is Ajayi Olalikon and I'm a marketing communication specialist. I've been doing this for the past 5 years. And when I hit send on June 19, you will be receiving strategies that has helped me to write for businesses and individuals to get them visibility, influence, and to make their businesses profitable. And that's also enriched my own life and personal brand in no small way. 5 years ago, my life was in a complete mess. It was COVID, I just lost my job, and I was thinking, what exactly will I do with my life? I had a lot of skills, but I did not know how to show up online, how to communicate what I do in a way that the people who need my services can find me and of course pay me for the skills and the services that I can render. So it's 5 years later and I've made multiple 5 figures in dollars from the things that I'm going to share with you in this book. This book is not just theory. This is 5 years of practical experience, trial and error, failures and successes. I can guarantee you this will be a life changer. So get ready for a life-changing experience. This book is going to be a guide and a manual that you can use to show up on any platform and begin to communicate what you do in such a way that the people, the ideal target audience that you want to connect with, will find you relatable and they will find you attractive. I am genuinely excited about June 19 when this book will finally be in your hands, so I want you to anticipate this. And before then, I'm going to send you a teaser in a couple of days. It's going to contain the introduction and the chapter 1 of this book, so that you can binge on it and imagine what the other chapters are going to be like. So, I will see you on the 19th of June. And if you're already here on my channel, before you leave, you might just want to click the subscribe button. On this channel, I create videos that helps you to know how to write for impact, influence, and income. I'll see you around.